Hey guys, it's Daquan from Proline Range Hoods. I want to show you how we make sure that every range hood is perfect before it leaves our warehouse. We just got an order from Keith from New Orleans for a PLFI flush mount range hood, 42-inch. Let's go grab it. Alright guys, this is Keith's PLFI. Before it leaves our warehouse, we check a series of things. We have Sonny, who's going to be doing the inspection today. Alright Keith, this is your new range hood. So first we're going to check the remote. All right, we're going to test the touch panel by hand. All right, we're going to test the motors. We're going to test the lights. Perfect. We're going to give the hood a good polish, check for any blemishes and scratches. Look at that shine. So then we carefully wrap it back up. We reinforce the packaging to ensure a safe journey home. All right, guys, it looks like Keith's hood is ready to go thanks to Sonny for doing the inspection. This hood's shipping freight, so we're going to make sure it's securely on the pallet before it leaves. Quick weatherproofing. All right, Keith, that range hood's off to you. If you guys want to see us inspect your range hood and send it off, let us know in the comments.